Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know it seems like it's been forever since we've taken a look at a blade. This one that came in that package, well, I kind of have to show it that way because that's the package it came in, is really, truly different. It's going to take a moment or two to really break all this down. But as you know by that thumbnail, whatever else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at the MagBlade magnetic titanium knife. Now, how can I put this? Come on, which way? Sorry, I always have a problem with this. But, alright, here's the blade in all its glory. This was weird. Now, I always get these wonderful little emails about, hey, I saw your YouTube channel and I want you to be the head of our marketing campaign. We're going to do blah, 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 blah. If it sounds interesting, I always respond back, sure, I would love to. This is one of the very first companies that have actually sent me out what they said they were going to. They also sent me another little bonus, the tie pick, but we'll get to that in a moment. Okay. I was hesitant to do this review because I've never really experienced something like this. We're going to break all this down here in a moment. You can find this blade and the titanium toothpick over at www.dailycarryco.com. Don't worry, I'll leave that right down below in the description box. They basically started out in 2013 as an EDC blog, and the creator had this really passion to create his own products. From my understanding, the most renowned product that they've done is this titanium toothpick, but we'll get there. Okay, they appear to be made in the USA out of Salt Lake City, Utah. That's where everything on their website basically points to is Salt Lake City. So I think that's pretty cool, made in the USA. But I also do have some other wonderful questions. And look at those grind lines. Hopefully they're showing through. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's get into stats and everything else like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 6.69 inches. Closed, it's 3.93, and the blade's about 2.76. It comes in at a minor weight of 3.35 ounces. Now, all these things that I'm getting are directly from their web store, okay? The blade steel is basically M390 steel. It is very popular for its edge retention. Okay, that's cool. Here's the part that made me go, huh. It's held in place by magnets, as you can see right there. That's the locking mechanism, is magnets. That really made me worried on a couple different levels because just a little bit of pressure right there and it seems to go, no problem. The other thing that made me go, okay, putting magnets by my debit card or my cell phone because there's not a pocket clip or a lanyard hole on here. So that made me go, what kind of damage could I potentially do to some very important everyday carry items that I have? Not to mention having this thing bouncing around down below in my pocket with a magnetic hold over time. It makes me wonder about a lot of things, like we're talking about me, the blade opening and stabbing me, but still. Okay, now they do say it has machine grade 5 titanium body that has been sand blasted. Okay. It's got a very smooth finish to it too. What I like is they say it has a lifetime warranty. Don't lose the blade because that's not covered. But basically everything else, I guess, is covered under their lifetime warranty. We're going to get to cut tests and everything else here in just a moment. I'm going to give you all these stats and some other stuff. Now, over on their web store, it's been reviewed 4 times. I know I'm doing this a little bit out of order, how I usually do, but I want to get all this out there. Like I said, it's been reviewed 4 times for a 5 out of 5 star rating. This is the part that made me stand back and go, huh? On their web store, it's $199. It's a $200 blade. I went, wow, okay. Are we paying more for the material than anything else? But here's the one thing that shocked me. in my communications with them and the emails going back and forth, they were very, very cool, and they gave you guys a discount code. If you would like to use it, it's right here. TCTBNL. That will get you 25% off your purchase. I will state for the record, I make nothing off of that. That is just a discount code for you guys. Okay, let's get to some cut tests. Now, we usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why we do these cut tests. As usual. Oh, wait. Nope. I got something brand new to introduce, but we're going to do that with the Rivers of Revenge. As usual, we start with heavy-duty stock paper. Ooh. For you guys that are fans of ASMR, woohoo! Alright, let's see if we can get a curly Q. Yeah, I kind of figured that might happen. Alright, I went in at a kind of steeper angle, but still. It did curl back in on itself. Now, one of the big reasons I like getting those curly Qs is because anyone can just go whoosh, sharp. But if you drag that blade across nice, slow, and steady at that same angle, that paper should curl back into itself. Alright, next up, as usual, paracord. But we have an addition today. You guys know with paracord, there's usually always a problem, right? So let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Oh, Magic 8 Ball, will this cut test be good? Oh, I love it. Oh, Bill Rivers. You can't make that up, bro. Even the 8 Ball hates me. All right. Let's do this. I love it. The first time I bring the 8 Ball in, it just... All right. Pull. Oh, God damn it. I know. Sorry for scaring you guys. That fist coming right at you. Got myself pretty good, too. That's all right. The things I do for you guys. And a slice test. That's kind of pretty clean. Oh, I did forget to say, it takes a little bit to get used to holding it in the hand because there's really only that little indent. And yeah, I do get a little bit of a hot spot right there with holding it in. All right. Now, the big hero of our show, the man that everybody seems to love to come to see, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Let me do that again. That felt weird. I mean, it went through no problem. It just felt weird. Okay. Really clean. Now, let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. Son of a bitch, that hurt. I'm seeing a little bit of snowfall through here. But other than that, nothing really on the blade. No little pits, chips, anything else from all that wonderful stuff. Okay, now that I've gone over all the stats and everything. Ow, damn, that's really starting to hurt. Man, I got my camera good. The things I do for you guys. We're going to flip into something really, really different. I know we're doing everything out of order on this one, but still, I just... Alright. We're at the part of the video that I love the most. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this guy is a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? I'm on the fence on it. I love Tonto blades. Okay, I really do. I think they're really, really cool. The fact that they gave you a big old fatty edge in there, God forbid if you ever need to do anything as like prying as a crowbar, which you shouldn't, you're going to be able to get into something. I'm not a big fan of the magnets. That's just me. I am really, truly not. It just... That's a little bit of pressure right there. Okay? But yet, getting her open... Oh, sure. Now that's going a lot easier. I don't know. Maybe it's a break-in thing. Without a lanyard hole or a pocket clip, it makes me a little bit leery. I don't know. I'm on the fence on it, but I really would like to know your guys' thoughts on this one. All right? Now, if it made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do any of that during this video, which I'm sure I probably did, especially right there, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger the algorithm and, get this insanity out there to other people. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. I know this one's a little bit out there. It's a little bit different of a blade than I'm used to, or that I usually bring to the channel, but that is part of the fun, is getting outside your comfort zone. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can do that for a future video. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, we got the little YouTube-y things popping up. Right down here, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Click on that. That'll bring you right to subscribe. And over here, we're going to have 2 videos popping up. That's right, 2. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the MagBlade magnetic titanium knife. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I look forward to seeing all of you in our very next video.